I'm gonna do a review on a tow hitch from OEDRO. It's a 6-inch drop tow hitch. It's gonna go on my 2018 Ram. So it has a 2-inch receiver. This is how it comes out the box. Comes with instructions and all the information, installation. And it comes with a trailer hitch, shank, the ball platforms with fixed trailer balls. Comes with two ball platform lock pins, which is this ones, and then the shank lock pin. It has like a bigger one and a smaller one, and then 2 keys, and also a reflector, so it could reflect like during the day, I guess the sun hits it. I mean, you'll find all the information y'all need. And this is the name of the company, OEDRO. Go check them out on Amazon, Instagram, Facebook. Comes with customer service as well, the number. And this is the actual hitch. It's a black anodized, I think that's how you say it, the finish. And that's a reflector. It's a 6-inch drop. You could put whatever level you want on it. These are the lock pins right here. So there's 2, and then it's pretty nice because you can actually lock it. You know, you're out at a grocery store or wherever, and nobody can actually steal it. These are the tow balls. I believe it's a 2-inch. Yep, this is a 2-inch, and then this other one is a 2.5. That's it also comes with another reflector, I believe. That's what it said in the packaging. It's actually over here. Get it out. That's another reflector in case that one breaks or whatever. This one, and then it also comes with the keys. It comes with 2 keys in case you lose one. It's pretty neat as well. Okay, so now that we took it out of the box, this is what we're pretty much left with. Actual shank itself. And remember to always check like the size of your truck. I believe some 2500s or 3500s are different. I think some of them are 3-inch receivers, but this one, this is a 2-inch receiver. And you have the lock pins as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put them apart. I'm gonna put this together. I have a dump trailer, which I use it here and there, but I'm gonna put it on a 6-inch. That's where I want it to ride on. Just once it clicks, I mean, that's pretty much locked. You don't have to use the key to lock it or nothing. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the truck now. It also has 2 different like holes where you could put the pin if you want it to stick out more, or if you want it to stick in more. Me, I'm gonna just put it so it can stick out a little bit more. It also comes in handy in case anybody backs up into you or whatever. You know, they'll hit your hitch first, so you definitely want to have I don't know, I mean, it covers your bumper and stuff, so. Once you hear it click, pretty much secure. And like I said, the cool thing about it is also that you could adjust the level that you want it, wherever you want it to ride on, and this little reflector also gives it a really nice touch. And let me show you how easy it is to lift it. Leave it at this height. Oh, and it also comes with a 2-inch ball or 2.5, so you could could fit multiple trailers in it. I believe this one is rated for over 10,000 pounds. Like I said, I'm gonna be running it at the low because that's where I want my trailer to sit. Since my truck is lifted, it's better at the height that I have it at. And this is how it looks installed. It goes really well with the truck as well, the black wheels and the color. But they also have it on anodized aluminum. And it's definitely really good quality. I mean, for the price, it's really nice. I don't think you could get any better. I'll make sure to go get one. They also have many other products. That's also where I got my tow mirrors from OEDRO. And I also have some floor mats from them. Let me show you all real quick. Excuse the truck being a little bit dirty, but that's kind of the point of these floor mats, to protect it from all the dirt and stuff. And they're super easy to clean. But yeah, that's tow hitch. I'll definitely I'll try to post an update video on it. Right now I don't have my trailer with me, but I'll definitely be using it. I'll definitely be using the hitch. I'm gonna leave the link in the review, like on the bio, for y'all to go check them out. Try to get y'all a discount code if possible. I'll definitely post it on the description as well. Like I said, they have like a aluminum color and this black one, which I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but it's really nice quality. Like, it's not paint, it's like, I don't know, the finish is really nice, like textured. I don't know how to say it, but, and also the lock pins are nice. I mean, you're out at the grocery store, nobody's gonna steal it, you know. You don't want your expensive tow hitch, nice tow hitch, to get stolen. But go check them out. I'll leave the link on the description, and I'll try to get y'all a little discount code so y'all can save some money. Also, the 2-inch ball is rated for 8,000 pounds, so remember not to put more on it. And the one at the bottom, the 2.5, that one is for 12,500 pounds, so you could actually load more on the big ball. But just a heads up, you know, always want to double check that, and all of that comes in the instructions. So always remember to read the information, make sure you pick up the one that you need, you know.